Hey, good day. Today is Saturday. It's July 5. Today is our pinning, white coat and pinning. So, we are heading to Crown Plaza sa may Ortigas. We're already here sa Ortigas Avenue. And then in a few minutes we'll be there. So, the event will start at 1 p.m. and it's 12:08. So medyo sakto lang naman tayo. Kala ko malilate kasi sobrang lakas ng buhos ng ulan later. Ay, later. Sobrang lakas ng buhos ng ulan kanina. So, yun. Medyo matagal yung pag-accept nung grab, but we're okay. We're already here. And malapit. So, malapit lang din naman kami. And I'm so excited because we're almost there after this white coat and pinning, supposedly for internship. So I'm gonna talk about that sa next vlog ko. And yeah, medyo hindi naman heavy traffic dito sa Ortigas Avenue. Ano lang, light to moderate. Ay, hindi siya light to moderate. Moderate to heavy yung status ng traffic here. So we woke up this morning like 5 a.m. Nayusin ko muna si mama for ilang hours, 3 hours I guess. So siya mo pinakamatagal, and then ako sobrang bilis lang. And then ito lang yung look natin for today's video. Ayan, so medyo madilim dito I guess, I don't know, so we will see later. And I'll update you. See you in a few. So we're here at Crown Plaza and with my mommy. Hey, let's go. Ay, wait, dito ba?
Dito ba?
Kabila. Let's go pasa inside. Diba? Napa da isa din.
Napa da din.
Sa 12. Ito tatapit. Yeah. So hi, we're here inside. So, procession na ng mga students papunta sa table. And we're here. So, we're done na sa procession kanina. And, by the way, so the purpose of this white coat and pinning ceremony ng medical technology, so, chinachupidi ko na lang. This is a symbolic event that marks an important transition in a student's academic and professional journey. So, nagsisymbolize to sa entry ng mga medtech sa healthcare profession, and it usually occurs before the clinical internship. So, yung batch namin, most of these students here, third-year students, are bound for internship na sila. But kami, medyo hindi pa. Pero nauna na kami. Dahil gusto namin, charing. Anyway, so the significance is it represents professionalism, ethics, and also responsibility sa patient care. And then we as the students receive a white coat. So here's my white coat, and then a traditional symbol of medical and allied health profession. So aside sa white coat, we also have this pin. Yep, we have this one. And then, so the pin pala, it represents our school and the medical technology profession. So it's right and passage from the student life to becoming a healthcare professional. So it's often accompanied by a pledge or oath. So I think we're gonna do that later once we start the program proper. And let me ask my mom if what can she say? What can you say? Are you excited?
Yes, sobrang happy si Mother Earth ngayon dahil sa pinning na today ng son ko at isang tumbling na lang, isang tulog na lang. So, super proud si Mommy today sa anak ko. Thank you so much, anak, sa sipag mo at tiyaga sa pag-aaral. At thank you so much din, anak, na kahit papaano, andyan ka pa rin sa tabi ko na sumusuporta sa akin kahit papaano. Tayong dalawa ang nagiging partner in crime. Tandem mag-ina sa hirap at ginhawa. Wala na ako masasabi sa anak ko. Napaka-supportive siyang anak sa akin. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, yan. Best in message siya. Hindi pa nagsisimula. Anyway, so, yan. We're gonna update you later on sa mga happenings dito. And we're just so excited for this event. And, wait. Let me show you.
Bagoon, Alvic Magasco. Balagtas, Mike Luigi Sison. Balarosan, Sean Timothy Gonzalez. Balazuela, Mark James Ando.
Yeah, you finally down na yung white coat and then with the pin.
Piling-piling na.
And together with the nameplate. So, congratulations to me.
Congratulations sa atong duha anak. Walay kabutangan kalipay ni mama. Nga nakapining si mama, nakasaka sa stage. Congratulations, son and mom.
Same also, congratulations.
As I promote health through education, prevention, and treatment. This oath I make freely upon my honor. I make freely upon my honor. So help us God. So help us God.
You may now take your seat. Thank you very much. Dear students, you have a lengthy oath. May you forever remember your oath and live by the words of that oath. To share words of thanks and hope.
and most of all, to our pride, the students, our future medical technologies, once again, a pleasant day to everyone. What we witnessed today
So, there you go. Tapos na yung event natin for today's video. Okay naman. Everything went smoothly from the start until the end of the event. So, early siya natapos kasi early din natapos yung mga nag-pee, nag-coat, and then nag-don ng white coat, and then after nun, dinner na agad. So we're all good here, and then we're going home. Book na ako ng Grab. Ayan. So tapos na rin yung mga music and then mga lights na turned off na, and then I'm gonna be posting or checking the photos first, and then ipopost ko na. So thank you so much for watching, and let's continue the journey as a medic student. So I still have another story kasi this year no internship muna. I'm gonna be having my internship by next year, by August. So yeah, that's it, and thank you so much and have a great day. See you.